My family was gone from this land for over 400 years. And that my ancestors, that they cried from the oceans to come home. That I felt the beat of the drums from Igbo land, and that I've come to respond to that call, which is why I'm here today. So thank you so much for receiving me. Thank you for treating me the way that you did. Thank you for accepting me as family. I will not forget this. Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Ibite kweni!
On June 29, 2026, a Grammy award-winning artist did something fame could never buy. He came home. The world knows him as Matt B. But Mbise, Imo State, Nigeria, a community had been waiting for a son they had never met. No red carpet, no stage lights, just elders, kinsmen, and a name older than his fame. Ikechukwu, God's power. This is the moment a star became a son. Produced by Onyonyo Mbise. Watch it and make sure to hit the subscribe button.
I will pick Igbo in my place here. People are not the here. But since I've started here, we will hear English today. So I will start with my co-convener of this meeting, Professor Chima Korea, who is my professional historian based in the US too, and the son of the soil. Chima, you're welcome. Then I will give this color now to the traditional ruler of the autonomous community, who will soon receive you where we're doing the grand reception. On his behalf, I will also recognize Nze Bon, okay, Nze Ancestral. I will give it to him. So, and we will remove our cap and we place.
I think this scholar does not hear. Igbo. I nekele Chineke no groma anya. Na yo Chineke onye dukra anyị ụbọchị taa. Ndị eshile ala bekee bịaruo n'obodo anyị ezi ala ụmụnne atọ. Na Owerri zone ka anyị nọ. Oji ya niile anyị wetara ebe a maka ndị niile bụ ndị na ndị Owerri zone na ndị Mbaise general na Nigeria niile. So anyị na-asị Chineke onye mere ka ọ dị ụbọchị taa ka ọ gọzie onye okwu niile ntarịrị ga n'aha Jizọs.
Amen. You go home with that. Also correct. You get what I'm
Anything it says, no,
Nobugi, and the Basic Council, the traditional institution, nation, and also the elders of the community. Ejimopere na Okuta, Chief Obulimba, Chief Obulimba, Yawonye, Durunde, Bianulom, Bianulogi. We may introduce briefly the Obia Umunai, the God, and you also had the Asarobia. I will bring one night to here. It's Lagos, and Yoruba, and also Ma Ogidi. So, yeah, may introduce briefly. I go high Korobia, then the man high gave was here for the reception. After the MHRC introduction, Madam Moji is first.
Agora me sepando. Aí eu me sepando. Me sepando. Over the pano. Você te pano. Antiria pano. The world pano. Because I am America here. Oh God. Because now the team Matt B. There are EB visiting the Munato today. Chief Okechukwu Kenneth Ogidi, the Obulimba Gizi Kendamano Boya, the President General of Amano Boya Autonomous Community, the Secretary of the PGC Nayas Local Government Area. I am here. I receive very much. Now I'm never asked for Bia. That is why I'm not here.
Nahanna nama namonso. Emaka ide naha onye kere anyị. Usepụ wa biko nụrụ anyị. Ezi Chineke onye dị ndụ onye bi n'igwe. Na mbụ anyị na-ekele gị n'ụbọchị taa maka na ịbụrụ anyị chi. Anyị na-ekele gị maka ndụ, anyị na-ekele gị maka ahụ isi ike. Nke anyị na-ekele gị maka onyinye nke ụmụnne, ọkachasị ụmụnne anyị ndị siri mba wee lọta n'ụbọchị taa, ndị nke mere anyị ji gbakọ ebe a. Anyị na-arịọ gị ka ị bịa gọzie anyị niile, gọzie nnọkọ anyị, gọzikwe ọjị nke chere anyị n'ihu, ka ejiri gosi na anabatara anyị niile na obi eze anyị. Gọziere anyị onye eze, gọziere anyị ndị niile na-ekekọta obodo anyị, gọzie oche a ka site n'ime ihe ka anyị tata ndụ anyị atata ahụ isi ike tata ịdịkọ n'otu dịka ụmụ gị mgbe niile site na Kristi onye nwe anyị. Ya bụ ka Chukwu ji ike niile gọzie anyị ma gọzie oche ya n'aha Nna na Nwa na Mmụọ Nsọ.
We go ahead to take cola, not this one is not cola. This garden egg. This is cola. Don't break it down. This one is not cola. In fact, this one is not supposed to be where we are blessed. But you can say this is just not the animal.
Maybe pepper.
Yes.
It's spicy.
Yes, spicy.
Yeah.
So that's your own.
Thank you.
But not the one you will eat here.
No.
The one you will eat here is strong. This one, you put it in your pocket and go home and show them that you
Have welcome to you. That traditional color. That's the first step. The little color, you little color. That we have paid and meant that they didn't welcome you. That's the first step. Having done that, I want to invite our brother Obulimba, because I should have been in them home. When you say I'm a man of Gaia, Obulimba, come. Make sure our friends, our brother, talk about to the event system. Thank you. His Royal Majesty Eze Wokocha Atodire, the Traditional Prime Minister Mdekelo, Ndeshireshi Ona Munato, Ndeshireshi because of that Hana Mundo. Sasmia Dronukuma Droyeta Mao, Ologo Nawisiko, Oya Rotaka, Oya Siko, Nika Esipolitem, Mr. Kwamamoso, our chief, the Chukukeneto, Didi, Opulin Marquis, the Kendamando Boya, the kitchen account, the general of the autonomous community. Not to forget, Your Majesty, the August visitor, in the community, they will. Ndeshi mba otebia Ndeshi mba ofesibia ọkwaninde ile ya n'ihu ọ dị mkpa oyiri mkpa onye ze kama mụrụ oyiri enwere ike ụmụrụ oyiri nke so ije abịara ahụ ije ọma ọ bụ ije ọma adịghị ije ọjọọ achọrọ m ịkpọlite mụrụ otu onye ije si mee I contacted somebody who onye Yoruba kwane onye no in the tourism industry. When I CNN award, maka ọrụ ọrụ ha. Ya contact kwa awya obelu. Ya contact kwa nwanyị ọzọ kwane nwada Chimbise nọkwa into the tourism industry. Wo mama Ogidi anọcha Lagos. Knowing fully well that as Ajumaju Alaju Ewi, Akwanemonye Imo State, Akwanemonye Mbise, Yagwamia, say onye Seattle route here. That they also won over. But we are saying the whole line can do it. All Pasaka Koleon. So Sierra Mebe. Sibaina Gala. Jejo ngambo joga ngabo joga taka mataro nyemi na pole zo eti graga ai ga mchezo autonomous community the TPM ndi mchezo autonomous community na batai le ya na si mo ika ido debe ya jori atutu aya ga kwana amanno obo autonomous community na ke eze ndi na tudo wokro ya ana matakwa ya nyekwe blessing oya ike chukwu bo mu ni eti chidemma Gokwara hofo anya bekwa na ebe ta o ka anya ga na ebe abu na eze ta je na bantu Your Majesty here with the process dike Chineke anyị nọkwa ka today ihe anyị hụrụ taa guys ọgbagoju ha ya because anyị ma onye ewu anyị ma ndị ihe na-eji eme ke kwa na ewu keke na ọgra finale anyị gacha keta anyị ala ezi So that for okay, I to make in a very short introduction. One more introduce a senior colleague here who brought this thing to Mbise. We don't depend
There's no radio, Oglogon, Atodiro, Oglogon, Ezigrag, and I make a level. Ezio, Wokocha, and Ezia. And I make a lulu. I'm greeting my king and my chief. The Lord, I'm greeting you. Lord Esther, the Prime Minister, I told you, I'm just happy and grateful that you gave us this opportunity to be before you. Mbise when I'm mad. I know very well that we are welcome. And the sound of the gun lifted our spirit the more. My name is Wamma Ogidi. I am a journalist. I'm from Amano, Umungara Amano, Ubuaya, non a Praza, Imo State, Nigeria. I'm so grateful for this opportunity. There was a time my phone rang and it came from a great man that have contributed immensely to the tourism and culture and tradition of this country. A name that can open door for young journalists and old journalists because he's a CNN award winner and a multiple award winner in his chosen career in our journalism. Because he's a travel writer and he's a great tourism expert and of repute. He was contacted by your great-great-great-great-grandchildren who are on the quest to know their roots, to know our culture, to know where they came from, to know whether it's true or not. They are here to make inquiries, ask questions about the slave trade that happened in Africa, in Nigeria, in the southeast, in Owerri, Imo State. Now, Owerri, I mean, is not Owerri of today, Owerri of those days, which I know we are Owerri, not Owerri town. He's here with his wife and his team. And you give me the opportunity to let you know that in political arena, they said Igbos and Yorubas are not friends. This is a brother who knows every pin and spoon in my father's house and community. That shows you that the Yorubas and the Igbos are brothers and sisters and friends. I have one person and more that I can tell you that he is a brother and a friend. If not something, he could have been a husband. And Ugama has offered him a second wife. So he might also get a third or fourth wife from here. His name is Belu Awofeso, who will tell you, my kings, how the journey started and why we are here. With the team of a great musician, an award winner, and the Oscar 2 times award winner, Matthew Benson, and his music name is Matt B, with his amiable wife, Angela Benson, who also doubles as his director and manager for this great quest and his music career. So I bring the Luawo Officer from the Ogun State, Lagos State, from the Yoruba land. We have another sister from the Yoruba land and another brother to tell you that the love and the friendship reigns in the air for us, not for the politicians. Agree to? Eze ị ga-ebi o, eze birikwe o.
Your Royal Majesties.
Oh, sorry. And my conclusion, I came through Professor Paul Mbakwe. I know how many times I called and disturbed him. I apologize to the wife if you're here, because I called him at midnight. So I called when I greet him. I called him when he's supposed to have a special prayer with the wife. And today, we are here, and also I recognize my amiable professor, a great man from Umucheze, Professor Chimatoria. When I called these people, there was no hanky-panky. They just answered. I said, little me, who am I? The daughter of a farmer. So when they responded, gave us the mampukus on the tap roots to keep believing in our people. Thank you.
Your Royal Majesties, good afternoon, sirs. I am Yoruba, and if you know us very well, one of the things we do, and I believe that we all do as Nigerians and Africans, is to respect our elders, and especially our monarchs. And from where I come from, the way we do that is to prostrate. And with your permission, sir, I'd like to do it the formal way. We will have done it with the king in Yoruba land. So, it's all sound. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. I know everybody we must be honest with you, sirs. We did not imagine, we couldn't have imagined or expected this sort of grand reception waiting for us. Like Uma said, she placed the call. I was the one they got in touch with. And I've known Uma for about 15 years now in the course of our journalism work. So when the call came from them, and I know she comes from BBC, I'm like, Uma, I'm not going to be able to do this alone. I'm going to have to depend on you to be able to achieve this project. And I'm happy that with all the calls that she made, those calls is what has brought us to this point that we are in today. So I'll just go back a little bit. Our special guest is Matt Benson, Matt B for short. He is an award-winning, Grammy-winning artist from the United States of America. Beside him is Matthew Ikechukwu Benson. His wife and who doubles also as his manager is Angela Chidinma Blessing. They were the ones with their partners who called me to say, "Bello, we got your reference from somewhere, we want to do this and want to do that, and we're told that you are the perfect person to work with." And we had this conversation, several meetings online. Essentially, what he's here to do, Matt B is the reason why we are here. He did his DNA, his ancestry test. You know, that's very common among them. When the test came out, the results show that his ancestors came from the Owerri part of Nigeria. Yes. Which means his ancestors came from this land, from this part of Nigeria. And he said, I'm working on a project. I'm working on my album. I'm telling my story. I'm trying to do not just an album. I also want to visit homeland. And I'm going to do a documentary around it. So he's not just traveling with his wife and manager, he's traveling with a technical team, 6 of them. Some of them are from Uganda, and Emmanuel here is one of them. Louis is somewhere around us. He's busy transferring files, so they've been traveling. But before they got here, they were first in Ghana. From Ghana, they came to Lagos and flew to Abuja, and then to Kaduna, purely to film the musical album that he's working on. But here, there's no music. It is about heritage, it is about his history, is about the ancestral connection to Igbo land through the Owerri province or Owerri region. And that's why we came 2 days ago, and we've been visiting different communities and doing interviews. And so, sir, I crave your indulgence to introduce them again properly. Ikechukwu, Matthew, please stand up. And then Chidima, Angela. Among the Nigerian team, I'm not just the only Nigerian, also on that technical team are also 2 Nigerians. Jumoke is here, please stand up. And then Folani is also here. So they are all part of the technical crew. So it's a big crew traveling around Ghana and Nigeria to document the story of his ancestry, which is going to be public through music and a short film. Thank you so much, sir, for the opportunity, for receiving us so warmly and in such a grand fashion. Professor Papa, thank you so much for making all of this happen. Yeah, thank you, sir.
Mr. Mamane, Mr. Kelen, Unado Mamane, oh Kelen, and Nico, Mena, Lashi, Dele, now that Kekipu is here, welcome them. I think they have something to present to us. The traditional ruler, a sign of love, a sign of unity, a sign of success, because they want success in their food. So, person, you can come forward to present your brother with your wife.
Before you proceed, I did a little research about you. So it wasn't surprising that you want to connect with your ancestors. Because I saw your award-winning on YouTube. You won the 7th Grammy Award in 2025, right? That is the best global music award. So here in Mbisela, this is Asia Umuna Autonomous Community. In Mbisela, Owerri, Imo State. So you're welcome home, and feel free. This is a very welcoming Eze, a non-traditional ruler in Igbo land. So for you to be here, it's going to go viral. And your documentary is complete. So feel free, like Anubo's son, Igbo people are very, they are wonderful. So feel free, bet your story, and let us know why you're here. So thank you.
Right Highness and the Executive Council, my people, they grow, and then be sent over at Imo State to Nigeria.
Yes.
I'm from there, yeah. I'm in jobs of Nigeria. I'm a job there. And about a formerly, my big, Yana Paul, David Benson, wife Angela Benson. I engineer hard. He headed it here. When they go, those of us here, I have a need. When they get here, to the end of this journey, before the end of this very important event, other things will follow. We know what should be put on the table. Having said that, we are formally receiving them today and presenting them to you and the community. What will happen again now is that we have discussed with the traditional ruler. After you must have told us, if you tell us the brief of why you are here, then we have decided that we'll do some other things to welcome you, including possibly changing your attire today. Thank you very much. I will also recognize my co-convener, let me put it that way, Professor Chimakuri, were the two Mbise professional historians to do this event. Professor Kore gave me the permission, since I'm going to mention here, that I should do this grand reception and I should host it. And then he will give me support. And he has given me wonderful support. Professor Chimakuri who is a US-based professional historian. So Munia one day historian, the may anchor this program. Today, they host me and all along. By the grace of God, the traditional ruler happens to be my brother. That's why the event is being, has a very wonderful shape today.
Thank you so much for having me here today, Your Majesties. I appreciate the reception. I appreciate all who have come today. My reasoning for being here is layered. As an African American, I've been all around the world. I've traveled a lot for my music. And people have always asked me, where do I come from? Because we know that our origin did not start in the Americas, that we had to have come from somewhere else. But as an African American, I couldn't answer that question. No matter how hard I tried, I could not answer that question. So I embarked on a journey to find my ancestral lineage and to find my living line. I partnered with Ancestry DNA, and they were able to find information that I was not able to. They were able to find out that I'm Igbo, and that I am from Imo State. They also found the name of the ancestor that was taken from this land, which was very powerful. But it wasn't just enough for me to know that information. I knew that for 400 years that my ancestors were longing to come home, that they cried from the oceans to come home, that I heard the beating of the drums from all the way over here at Imo State, longing for me to come home. And I responded, which is why I'm here today. So I thank you once again for receiving me. I thank everyone in this room. I thank you for the warm welcome. And this will not be my last time coming here, because I truly do feel to conclude, I truly do feel that I have been received by my family. I've been all around the world, and I would truly say from the bottom of my heart that no place has ever felt like home until today.
So, as a researcher, I've been working on the African diaspora. But this is, for me, this is bringing all the research back home. I told them yesterday, now if you keep something somewhere, like anybody, so no matter how many years they have been out of this, they have returned home. I want to thank Onyenze. When we met here last week, I told you the importance and symbolism of this for our brother and our sister. And I'm also here representing my Eze Dr. Inyeribe Onoha, who
I happen to be the traditional Prime Minister of Ubuchese Autonomous Community, and currently working for the SA because he's very advanced, 94 years. So I am here in that capacity also to lend my voice to His Royal Highness and to welcome again my brothers and my sister back to home.
Thank you very much. So you can go ahead now. So
now you can come forward and press the S. You are S. You are A. You are better. Is it? Exactly that one.
Honorable Chief Barrister Charles Mbappe, Ọ̀chịarịrị nke mbụ ndị ụmụnne atọ Autonomous Community. Eji m aha ndị ụmụnne atọ nọ n'okpuru His Royal Highness ndị Nwokocha chụkwara ugwu ụmụnne atọ Autonomous Community na-enyewa gị aka ga-enye gị ogologo ndụ na ahụike ọganihu ọrụ dị elu ma mmụọ gị ji aka nke na-adịrị gị mgbe ọbụla ebe ọdịrị onye nwere gị ga-asọpụrụ gị n'iwu onye isi echichi nọma na ala ụmụnne atọ n'ala Igbo n'ihi na n'ụbọchị taa iwu nwa afọ Igbo ọ ga na-ebi n'anya ọ ga-aka dị na ukwu ihe ga-abịa ukwu ọ ga-adịrị gị na mma gị na ezinụlọ gị n'aha Jizọs.
Become ancestors. There's the money. Ka I could do me. Una no odo mine ego. Ụmụaka gị bụ aja ego. Ugo.
You are ego. Your
Family. Family. No matter how from them, you should have how much the family. What I know. So if you reckon, or that whole family, how much?
that's the version of the story.
Now, hold on. But today, in a lot of you are fighting for it. Independent. Is a Gabia. That's how is there's a number. Say hey, because is it? Yeah. This is the yeah. Good day. No job. That's it out. Wave it out.
Wave it back out.
Bring it in. Good to oh, woman, give me congratulations. You are welcome. You are in the front. You come in. Thank you. the son of my son. Igbo son. This guy. One the number. Junior, one is the number. Junior, one is the number. Junior, one is the number. Please welcome the man who get to go dancing. One is the number one of the arena. This is a new chief, brand new chief. One is the number of You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Chief Max, you get to go dancing. Ana menyu nekele mama. Ndota besi Room Africa igeleji. Ndota le Room Africa menyu anya. Amepa ya shire na Africa malide. Civilization bidro ni Egypt ni shimbo. Akoloba no na Africa no gembo. Akoloba no na Africa ko yago. Ndota abelu Africa lecha anyanya. Munezi na nda Africa nwere ego. Ndota jele Bible buru bia. So we rosi de bahadida. Na Africa ndi no ga ezukola. Juwa ndota so li ihe wije hinesi. Ndota were ni Bible ma anyaka. So ku wekwu Chineke ebideli igwe. Mgbe na mana he jele nne na nna he jere. Jele nne na nna ha bụrụlawa. Ha jiri gada ebe emu ndọcha. Ka nsị nọ na ndọcha. Ha gachọrọ Room Africa ga-abịawa. DNA pesi emene. Ha gachi ebe ha chọrọ anyị bịawa. Mr. Mati bụ musician dị kara ahụ. Nne na nne ya so na ndị Africa ndị rere. Black American ndị nọ na ndọcha. Talented musician ọwụwa ewu. A popular musician in Kebuleji. Worldwide.
He is tracing his African origin Kewuleji. Our Kabula project in Igilaka. Through his musical project Leji. Our Kabula ni 1 and 2. Oga from Uganda Logembo. I ganona the Our Kabula Ntere. Osi London Ogawa Ghana. Osi Kule Ghana Tora Hanyedewa. Mr. Murphy, Iwan Africa Lesopu. Mr. Martin Nanune. Abraham DNS. Dem asa Iwan Africa Kewuleji. DNA test equally. His ancestral link of Bekai. The point in that child Africa nearly. How did the one be saying? Be a fear over it. Umunde put it in and daughter. Mr. Martin Adala. I know they see. Oh, yes, I live in Wokocha. I told you that. Nezi ala Umunato. Kaina Bada Ndafrica nearly. I go to buy Professor Paul Ijena J. Mbappe. A renowned professor of Igbo history and international relations, hosted by Onyezeli Owokocha on Abiala. I am Yanunekele Mama. Wait.
That's it. All right. Today, see, don't sit down yet. No, pick up, don't sit down yet. Today is a baptism of your culture. Today you have been baptized by your people. Alright? These people here are the people they call Aburago. Ndị Aburago. They were chief, Mbise. So you need to know the culture of Mbise. From today you start studying the culture of Mbise. Cultural Festival lecture by Professor Paul Mbakwe. We have the fundamentals of foreign policy analysis by Professor Paul Mbakwe. And we have, of course, inaugural lecture of Professor Paul Mbakwe at the Abia State University, Igbo Genesis and the Chronology of Polity, Myth, Memory and the Politics of Origin. These are very essential books you can have and put in your archive. Very important because this is a very wonderful opportunity to pick a copy of this book. Excellent. Our brother Chief Matthew Ikechukwu Benson, one of the number one of Mbise, came all the way from Chicago. He's an award-winning artist, a Grammy award-winning artist, all right, of repeat. Yeah, he won an award in 2025, 67th Grammy, right? Yes. And we are honored to have you here. This is a noble thing. This is an epic thing you've done for yourself. Discovering your origin, coming back to the land of your ancestors. That's the best thing you can do for yourself. And your children will remember what has happened here today. Make sure these videos, this moment is passed on to them. Let them know you came down to Mbise land. Mbise Wokemba. Say Mbise Wokemba. Mbise Wokemba.
Mbuse Wonkemba.
Now wait, no problem. Say it one after the other.
Mbuse. Okay.
Mba.
Let's take it again.
Mbise. Okay. Mba.
Let's say it together.
Mbise. Okay. Mba.
Let's say it yourself.
Still hard. Please give him a round of applause, please. A round of applause for him. He's trying. It's not easy. You're trying. By the time you spend like 1-2 years, start learning Igbo and Mbise language in particular. All right, start learning Igbo. If you go back, start learning Igbo. Mbise language in particular. You know, Mbise have their own language, right? They have a unique accent. No, Igbo have different, of course, accents. You don't know. You will have different variation of our language, but still Igbo. We hear ourselves with different accents. All right? So you Mbise have their own. Mbise na kwado. Mbise na kwado. Mbise na kwado.
Mbise wa.
Mbise na kwado.
Imbi say wapo.
See, I will give you an assignment when you go back. Let's continue with it. We are glad to have you guys. It's not easy, like I said. Coming all the way from where? You've been to how many countries?
Yeah, I live in Los Angeles, California, but I've been to the UK, Ghana, and Nigeria during my trip, which has been about 21 days.
Oh, fantastic. So can you tell us the journey so far? The journey so far?
The journey so far, how far back are we going? Is it just for this trip, or are we talking about?
From the US.
Yeah, from the US. I've been to several African countries, from Namibia to South Africa to Uganda, but nothing quite like Nigeria. And I'm so happy to be home. I'm happy to be received. I know that this is a big, big moment, not only for us, but also for my ancestral lineage. Like I said earlier, my family was gone from this land for over 400 years. And that my ancestors, that they cried from the oceans to come home. That I felt the beat of the drums from Igbo land, Igbo state. And that I've come to respond to that call, which is why I'm here today. So thank you so much for receiving me. Thank you for treating me the way that you did. Thank you for accepting me as family. I will not forget this. Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Igbo kwenu! Give me
All right. Now we are at the presentation of gifts. All right, the AC have done the traditional thing by giving you the traditional regalia, and you and your wife. So you have every accompaniment of an Igbo man, an NBC man. Now we have presentation of gifts by NBC people, from the same people who want to just make you, when you go back, at least you have souvenir to go with. All right, we want to invite Professor, if I'm not mistaken, this is Ancestral to present his gift.
It's my autobiography titled From Overcoming to Becoming.
Thank you.
Thank you, Chief. Thank you. All right, still on the presentation of gifts, I wanted to surprise Prof. Prof has done so well, and the only way we can encourage him is to make this day colorful and historic. And please, where is your team? I want to see the team. So that as you're going back, you take a bit of Mbise along with you. Wherever you're going, you take a bit of Mbise along with you. We have this card. What is it called? Boldly, proudly, Mbise. Boldly, proudly, Mbise. So you're now boldly, proudly, Mbise son.
Thank you.
Boldly, proudly, Mbise son, right? Yeah. Boldly, proudly, even one Mbise came over. So, we never get Mbise tall and fun, all right? This is Mbise tall and fun. This is Mbise tall and fun. At least when you get back into Uganda, at least the thought of Mbise will follow you home. I will. At least wherever I'm going back to wherever they take me. All right, let's have Professor Paulo Makwe, the host, the chief host of today, to give his gifts.
Yes. Thank you very much, Makwe and the wife, Angela. I'm so happy to receive you in my land, the land of your birth. Don't worry, we will lay the foundation of that block. The block is here. This is where you come from, in red. Yeah, so we are there. That's where we put the block. Today, I am happy to receive you. I'm very excited. The traditional institution, the family, Mbakwe family, Moko Chance family, the entire kindred is happy. The village people, everybody is there. You will not go without a gift. I will give you what I have. What I have is books. That's my area of specialization. I've written so many books. I've published extensively in international and local journals, and I specialize obtaining a PhD in the history of Mbise. Clap for me, please, Matthew. I have a PhD in the history of this community, and this book you are seeing here is one of my publications published last year. It was launched in Vienna, Austria last year. I was there live to present this book to Mbise people during the Mbise Europe Convention in Vienna. I was there live. So I'm so happy to give you a copy of this book. Thank you very, very much. We're giving you 2 copies for you and your wife, for your children. I'll also give you a copy. Give me 2 copies.
We can't close without your vote of thanks. Then we have Light Refreshment Entertainment and we continue.
Please, Namekele, I have to really appreciate God first for this very wonderful outing. Within a very short notice, very, very short notice, people decided to answer my call. Our people answered. I'm so excited. And we're happy that I didn't disappoint you. The people are here, live. I'm so happy about it. So, on behalf of the traditional ruler of Umunatu Autonomous Community, with my cousin, Leo Waneri Mokocha, Matodi Choko Arubu, the first of Umunatu, and Mekelunu. On behalf of the Mbakwe family who brought these people to this very land. I'm so excited. I am particularly grateful to some of our sponsors of this program. Are wonderful. Some people that lend their hands, that supported us in this cause, no matter how small. Pharmacist, doctor.